Hello traders, welcome to this analysis of Bitcoin. There are a lot of speculations which are flying around. This is my take on it, and this is not an advice, but a take on how you can develop a trading plan on the Bitcoin. Now, if you are invested for a longer term, then this may or may not be applied to you, or maybe it can help you finding few support and resistance sort of levels. But this is more of a trading plan. If the market starts to do this, then this is what you can do, right? So um, let's start from monthly time frame. So as you can see, the market has been very bullish, and now it has started to take a correction, and this correction was long due, right? The market was expected to correct, and that does not mean that it is a crash. That does not mean that the crash is happening, because the crash will be something like this. Market goes up and it starts to go down all the way down to near about more than 50% or 60% or so. And so far it is not like that. So this is not a crash. However, um, like you know this can actually fall down to near about this level here, which we have, which is 38.2. So this is the first level where it can fall to, near about this area where we have these important levels. And there is another one which is around here, so somewhere around here, which it can fall to, right? So that's what we can expect market to do if this current month actually keeps on falling down, or even the next month turns into a bearish month. But after that it can resume the bullish momentum. Even this month is not over, so we do not know whether this will turn back into bullish or not. Okay, so that's the monthly time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, what we can see that market is simply consolidating. It is movement so far, and it has not been able to go beyond this. So it is simply going sideways. It has touched the upper part, now it has touched the bottom part, and it has started to go up. So we'll have to see how this week closes. If it actually starts to close below this box, then we may have further weakness into Bitcoin. Let's look at the daily time frame. On daily time frame, as I said, it has started to go upwards from this particular level here. Now, if you notice, we also have a few things here. One is that we have an M pattern forming. There are a few M patterns that are forming, right? See that as a head and shoulders. So if that is a possibility, then you will say that the possibility of neckline is going to be somewhere around here. And if that is getting broken, then obviously then these low targets actually start to work. There is another thing, which is if these AM patterns are there, then we can measure them. We can measure like this, and we can say, okay, where the market can go to. And we are expected to market, we are expecting market to reach, if this line, if not this line, but let me just quickly remove this. And okay, if this area is broken, basically you get a weekly close below this, then we are looking for a downward move into these lines. And there will be high possibility that the market may go all the way down to this zone as well. So this is the FCP zone that we have. Okay, so let's put the name there. This is FCP zone. Okay, and this is another, sorry, and this is not the zone that we have right here. So there are three two three levels here inside this. So that's an FCP zone. So the market may come here, and all of these FCP zones act as support and resistance. So if the market comes here, there can be a potential upward movement, and if the market starts to fall into this one, then there can be another potential movement. So that's what we have on here. But there is another thing which is happening here, and that is the formation of this, which can lead the price to the high side, maybe approximately somewhere around 62,000 or so. So far, what we can see that market has not been able to um, break through this structure here. That means it can rise into previous high, near about previous high, or even higher than that. So this is 61.8 right there. The market has not been able to go beyond that, and that means the market can reach near about 61 point something like this, or in extreme cases it can go to one of these levels here, near about 68,000 or so. So this is what we are going to do. The trading plan is something like this. So if the market continues to go higher, we can expect this to be reached, and then obviously the previous high. Okay, this one. So that's the next resistance here. Then we have next resistance here, and if that is broken, then next resistance is going to be the previous high here, and after that we'll be looking for something like this, right? And then we'll have to reanalyze what the market is trying to do. Okay, on lower time frame, if I go to the 4 hours time frame, there has been a huge rejection from the bottom, and one of the reasons is because the market has just completed an M pattern here, and when M pattern completes, the market is expected to go higher, and we can measure this M pattern using our Fibonacci. So if I just draw something like this, okay, this was expected to reach near about 88.6 level here, and that is what market has done. It has gone a little bit further down, but it has held this level here right there. So the next level on 4 hour time frame will be something like this. The market has already gone past 38.2, and I'm expecting it to reach a 61.8, which is also the previous structure here. So that is going to be 53,560. So that is what we are expecting. So if the market goes there, the next movement will be this one, and then after that this will be the next one. So all of these are your support and resistance levels that you can use for your trading or for making your investment investment decisions, whether you want to buy at these levels or sell at these levels. So that's what my take was on Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, found this useful. If you did, hit the like button. In the comment section below this video, let me know what you think about this analysis and what is your opinion. If there is any feedback, let me know, and share it with other traders and trading communities, because that's how we learn and earn together. Right, I'll see you in the next one.